Okay, so okay, okay, I'm just going to delete this, select all and delete. So basically now we're going to just write, give examples of user input in Python. So we're going to write a basic command that asks the user for the name, and the user is going to type in a name, and the computer now display the name in the screen. So we're just going to start with input column bracket semicolon. What is your name? What's your name? Then we'll give a space parenthesis close and curly bracket close. So I'm going to tell you the reason for this space. When we run the code, you're going to see the reason why we put that space. So now input name print. So now when we want to print the statement, we don't put curly braces. If you put curly braces, Python is going to think that it's a string. Understand? Print. So oh, I forgot, we had to initialize this input. Initializing by giving it, like, we say input, we'll give it, we'll call it name equal to sign. You understand? We have initialized this code, the input code, what is your name, to name. So now we're going to print name. That's what we're going to print. We print name, we close our bracket, then we run the code. Now it's asking us what is your name. So the reason why I put a space in what is your name is so that when the user write the name, it should not be joined with this text, this string of text right here. So we are going to write our name, Glenn. That's the output, Glenn. So now we can modify the code in such a way that we can add a text like hi Glenn or something like that. So to do that in Python, you just have to add this, where we're going to use curly, we're going to use um okay, we're going to use parentheses, right? Hi closing parentheses plus, we increment it. The plus is to increment it, and press run. So what is your name? Put Glenn. Hi Glenn. So as you can see, the text is joined. For you to do that, you simply go and put space between this hi, give space, you write the program, write Glenn, excuse me, Glenn, hi Glenn. So in Python, if you want to give space between your text, you just have to press space bar before you write your parentheses. So the other example I'm going to show you guys is how to add, like, we're going to write a code, a program that takes the user, yes, we're going to take the user date of birth, pardon, and we're going to subtract it to know the age of the user. So to do that, we're going to start, we'll delete all of this, write date of birth, date, we'll put date birth equal to input input braces parentheses, enter your date of birth. This program is to know how old our user is. So input, enter your date of birth. Enter your date of birth. That's what we're going to write. Enter your date of birth. Space, space, close the parentheses and the curly braces. Move to the next line, and we're going to initialize a variable. Right, we're going to initialize the variable. So basically this is 2023, this is 2024. So we're going to initialize a variable age equal to 2024 minus the date of birth. So let me just write it down so you understand. Right, age equal to 2024, right, minus in bracket birth, in bracket date of birth, date of birth. Okay, close the curly bracket. Then now the next line of code is to print the actual age of the user. So we're going to simply write print in bracket, no parentheses this time, and write age. We'll close it.